What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. Your daily Bitcoin update a little bit later today due to some personal circumstances, but we're back and we're recording on the new computer. So I hope everything is going alright. I hope all the sound settings are alright. I spent the last I think 2 days setting it up. But yeah, we have to talk about Bitcoin. A lot of volatility in the last 24 hours, a lot to talk about fundamentally, but also technically. So that's what we'll do. Before that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find more instructions on how to join. But alright, first to start off fundamentally, the main thing which we're working towards with Bitcoin right now is what we have next week. Next week we'll have the interest rate decision on Wednesday, so in 6 days. And ahead of that, like today, we also still have some economic numbers, especially for the US. We got some inflation rate numbers as well and interest rate numbers for the EU, but that doesn't make the market move a lot right now. So isn't that important? Initial jobless claims usually is somewhat important, which was lower than expected. It's really hard to kind of gauge everything, but that points towards well, less initial jobless claims. The continuing are also less than expected, so that kind of signals a little bit more of an inflationary environment. So that should be bearish for Bitcoin. We moved down a little bit, but Bitcoin altogether is right now, I have to say, it's really strong. So we're holding our levels. Oh, excuse me. Well, I actually should, like the level we're in right now really is this level right here. So you can drag it all the way down to like 24,200. And this is technically the level we're in. And as I said, we're really waiting for next week. Tomorrow we will not have that much news. But something else that was really causing a lot of bullish bearish pressure yesterday was the dollar strength index being quite bullish. Which also reacted bullishly to the initial jobless claims. But this is right now. I mean, it's bearish, but it's also there's some bullish elements within it. So that's why yesterday we dropped down all the way to 24,000. Altcoins were a lot more bearish. They dropped down quite a lot more. But Bitcoin is holding its levels, so that tells me that there's quite a lot of bullish momentum. I still think that a lot depends on the interest rate decision next week, but altogether right now I'm more bullish than bearish on Bitcoin. I think we can I mean, ultimately due to volatility in the market right now and due to instability, I think we can still drop down to like 23,500, but I do expect that if we drop down there, we immediately get back above 24,000, and I in general believe we'll stay in this level until next week when we have more of a that we know more about the interest rate, because if it's going to go up still more than expected, or if they at the press conference afterwards tell us that they will keep increasing the interest rates, believe me, we will drop down, all right? Because even though the market right now is strong, I don't think it's strong enough to hold the levels we're at right now, which are relatively high, if the economic circumstances change like that. But if they actually say that, all right, well, the economy has had enough interest rate hikes, then we can actually very easily as well break above 25,250 again and rally all the way up to 27,000. So we'll really have to wait until that. I'll keep you updated on that, of course. But for now, this is my take today on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.